Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Today we're going to take a look at some constitutional silver I picked up, some 90%. I bought it from my local coin shop. This is the same coin shop that sells it to me for spot. You know, whenever I have a little bit of extra money, I definitely stop by there to purchase it because it's very difficult to pick it up for less than spot, unless you're using eBay bucks or something. But I like to support my local coin shop when I can. And this is one of those times when it's a win-win. He gets sales and I get a great deal. So as you can see here, I've got $7 worth of quarters and $3 worth of dimes. So I bought $10 face value at spot. So that's a really good price. And I bought the 7 and the 3 to complete a tube of quarters and a tube of dimes. So if you guys saw International Stackers video, when I bumped into him at a coin show in Grand Rapids, Michigan, I bought some constitutional silver while I was there. I bought $3 worth of quarters and $2 worth of dimes. So getting this pile completes my quarter roll. So the 7 and the 3. And then this pile completes a roll with the dimes that I bought from that coin show. So I'll be able to add a new tube for quarters and a new tube for dimes. It's always exciting to add a new tube and keep this constitutional silver collection going. I don't know what it is about it, I just love it. And I know by the people who follow me on my channel and the comments I receive that you guys love this stuff too. So it's affordable, it's fractional, it's recognizable, all the good reasons to buy this stuff. And I'm telling you, you can find it at spot, and if you look hard, it's out there. And even on eBay, once in a while now, for every 30 or 40 auctions I bid on, I only win one of them. Because, I mean, on eBay, people are willing to pay a lot of money for constitutional silver, 16 times, 17 times. That's just not me. I'm more of right at the spot price, which at the time I bought this was 10.6 times. So that's what I'm looking for, and if I can't get it for that or just above that, I mean, I'm willing to pay 30 or 40 cents more than that. When International Stacker and I bought it from the coin show, I think it was 30 cents an ounce above spot. I mean, that's fine. That's still a great deal. I'm just not paying, you know, $1, $2, $3 above spot like some people are. But that's okay. If they're willing to buy it and pay for it, and that's what they want, then buy it. Buy what you want. Buy what you like. It's up to you. I just like to keep my costs down. That's the weight stacker in me that just likes to get it as cheap as possible. But let's take a look at a few of these quarters that I picked up. Now, one of the cool things about this LCS is that they let me pick through the stuff, and I like to pick, you know, the pretty stuff, the newer stuff, but I'll take a few slicker types so I can get a few older ones too. Like here's a 1951. Let's get this over in the coin cam, take a quick look at it. Let me adjust my filter here. I got the wrong filter. There we go. So that's pretty cool looking. That's a decent looking 51. Yeah, looks nice. And then of course, we got a 63 here. That should be in pretty good shape. And it is. Looks pretty good. And then obviously usually the 64s are nice and shiny and pretty new looking. Nothing shocking there. Now, as you know from a lot of my previous videos, that I generally don't buy mercury dimes because, you know, they're more wore down and have less silver on them, although they do carry a little bit of a premium. But, you know, if you want to just give me a nice Rosie, I'll take that as well. You know, Roosevelts are good for me. They have a lot of silver. But when I picked these up, all he had were mercuries and some barbers. So I was like, well, that's cool. I can pick up some mercuries, some barbers. Now, I didn't get very many barbers because those are usually pretty wore down. But let's take a look at a few of these mercuries and put them under the coin cam, see what we have here. Yep, looks pretty good. 1939. Not bad at all. Let's look at one of these barbers. These are a little wore, but still, it's a barber. A little bit higher premium. I know if you go out to the online retailers and look at these, they'll charge you quite a bit for a roll of barbers. Little slicky, but still pretty nice. Let's look at another barber that I pulled out of there. And again, I was able to pull out what I wanted. So I tried to take the best, and believe it or not, these were the best. So that's pretty cool. And let's just look at one more decent mercury here. I'm just picking one here. 1945. Pretty cool. Just gonna look at that one again. So anyway, that's about it. Just wanted to show you another great pickup. I mean, getting $10 face value for spot is always a good deal. So I'll go ahead and I'll team these up with these and create another tube of quarters and another tube of dimes, and we'll make it we'll have one more tube towards our ultimate goal of getting boxes of these things. So that's it for now. I appreciate you watching. Give me a like if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't. And remember, let's keep talking bullion.